Hey everybody, so everyone's been asking me if the Craftsman 20-volt brushless drill driver slash hammer drill is actually worth it. So what I wanted to do is a quick demonstration to show you if it's actually worth it. So I'm in the woods and I actually have this really old, it looks like basin, it's concrete. We're going to take this 3/8 inch drill bit. We're going to try and hammer through it, so let's jump into it. Okay, now that we showed you just how strong that this hammer drill actually is, now let's see how gentle it can be. Now it does have the hammer feature, but it also has the screw feature, which is something that, you know, all of these hammer drills have, but these have a tendency to be a little bit stronger. You know, with the specifications of this being as high as they are, we want to make sure it can be as gentle. Now this has 2 speeds, 2 being the fast setting but the weaker setting, and 1 being the slower setting but the strongest setting. So we're going to put it on 2, and then we're going to set this all the way down to 1 setting, and let's see if we can't drive this 1.25" screw not all the way in. Yeah, you heard me. I don't want to screw it all the way in. I just want to do it just a little bit. See how weak it can be. Okay, so that's perfect. That only did it. So I got some stone dust here. Just a little bit. Let's move this up to 5 to see where 5 gets us. Okay, so 5 isn't all the way in yet. And let's just go ahead and sync it. I'm going to put it on 13. This has 15 different settings, but I think 13 should be able to drive this in with ease, which it does, actually even more so. In fact, I bet we could drive this in at 10 as well. Oh, yeah, it sure can, and that drives it flush at 10. So you see that it's got some gentle attributes to it, and it's got some of the strength too, but how strong really is it? That's what we want to test out right now. For that, we're going to drill this is a 5-inch spack screw in. Let's go ahead and get this started. In order to get this done, I'm going to go ahead and set it on setting 1 to get the most torque that we can out of it. Let's get it started. Oh, sorry, I meant to set it on drill. Ha! Now it's on drill, strongest setting that it has. Alright, that drove it in without any issue. Alright, let's move it up a little bit. This is an 8-inch timber lock screw. Let's go ahead and see if we can't drive that in there without any issue as well. Okay, so that did it without any issue, but you know what? I'm not satisfied with that. Let's try and kick this up 1 more notch, and let's see if we can't knock this down. This is a 6-inch lag screw. Let's get it started. Okay, that's a little warm. Alright, so you saw a twist to my wrist just a little bit. I didn't have my body up against it. This does not have a handle. I think with the power it has, it probably should have a handle. But that just shows you that this has the power. It has the control as well, and it has the ability to really use that hammer setting to get through that 4-inch slab like I showed you. All in all, this has great build quality. It feels good. It does not feel cheap. You know, it sounds good. What I do recommend, if you do get this particular hammer drill driver, that you do get a 4-amp-hour battery with it. I don't think you're going to get the performance you're looking for if you just do a 2-amp-hour battery, especially if you're going to do some of these heavy jobs. So I hope that this quick review helped you all in some way to make your decision if you're looking to buy this tool or not. If it did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.